Rob here of VNXPH, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the ILIS PBT mechanical keyboard from RAKK ILIS. Let's check this out. The ILIS keyboard has been out for a while, but now this PBT version gives it an old school look to it. Let's move on to getting it out of the box. In the box you get the keyboard, user manual, and a goodies pack with an extra pair of Outemu red switches, and a standard switch puller. The USB plug is gold plated and comes with a cover. Cables are braided, neatly wrapped in a RAKK branded Velcro strap. Now checking the keyboard. The keyboard looks absolutely amazing. No doubt. Here at the top you'll see the LED indicators. Moving to the bottom of the keyboard, you'll find a key puller and a RAKK branded function or Windows key replacement. It also comes with non-slip rubber feet on the keyboard and on its stands. Just like the first version of the RAKK ILIS, it doesn't come with a detachable cable, but it comes with a cable routing channel for easy cable management. At the top of the removable keyboard cover, you'll find the RAKK branding. I prefer keeping the cover on because I just love the aesthetics of it. The top right key functions as a switch to change your keyboard from a numpad keyboard to TKL. Let's move on to the lighting modes. You have static, single off, single on, rotate, scroll, roll, fall, colorful, glitter, ripples, explode, launch, breathe, spectrum, fall state, flow, and tilt. You can also adjust the brightness, the speed, and the color of your LED. Let's move on to testing the feel and the sound of the keyboard. The keys sound perfect, and the feel of the PBT is way better than any budget keyboard out in the market. All in all, the keyboard is a great deal, especially for 2,000 pesos only. Bang for the buck, right? If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to get more content like this. Peace out.